I weigh 62. My my arms are losing out. My skin is the what's they call it like that, not firm. So I have to gain weight a little. It's good for when you get at the age of 40, you do not get losing more weight because it may you can affect your no the facial expression, your face like that, and you look old and you're not smart, and then your skin is soggy. My age is I'm not young anymore. I am 43 years old. That's the truth. I'm not lying to you guys. Hindi. Ha? Hindi naman. Sobra ka naman. Oh my God. Mm-mm. So what? Hello. Yeah, I am 43. May ganon, ganon, ganon. Yes. Ouch! Ah, walang minamina ko sa Korean sa Australia. Hello. Walang nagsisend ng super chat. No super chats are sent. Hi to my 7 viewers. Please like and share, guys. Share my live to everyone. Please watch my upload videos. I have my videos there for my members only. I have also my Bigo challenge. My sexy video. You watch that. It's a very, very nice woman. Thank you so much. Shakira, Shen, ano ba mag-send ng support? If you have GCash, you can click your GCash and you can buy the super stickers there. Kung may GCash ka, makasend ka support. Connect naman dyan. I-click mo under my live. There's what you call the support stickers. You can buy it automatically deduct in your GCash, in your bank account if you have this connected in your online. You can send support to support me as your ah, you can send support to me. Hi to my 10 viewers watching. Thank you for my 8 like that. And guys, please watch my I I want to get my viral. If you watch my it takes a viral video. Okay. Mhm. Ay ano ba yun? Malas ubos naman eh. Nice. Okay lang yun. Okay lang. And wait guys, I have to oh it's already 22 minutes. I have 5 minutes more to go before I end my live. So please like, comment there, and I can make shout outs. Oh, my hair is dry now. My hair is not so very thick, so it easily dry up when I let fat. Guys, watch my upload videos when I go roaming around. Please leave comment there so I can make also reply by watching, by not escaping my it's a very, very big help to me as a content creator in this YouTube. So guys, if you like, please, if you like to help me, because I'm a single mother, this is what I am use for my source of income. If it's Thank you so much for appreciating my hair. I really care my hair. I have many, my hair. I have many maintenance for my hair. I really care about my hair. I haven't exposed too much in the sun, and then I make everything comb, and I really, really care because this is my mm, 2 minutes more